In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your billing process using Xero's automated bill entry feature. This is a game changer for those looking to manage their bills more efficiently and reduce manual entry errors. So let's dive right into it and make your accounting tasks smoother. First, you'll want to navigate to the Xero dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the Purchases tab and then find your way to Bills to Pay. Here's where the magic begins. You'll soon see a button labeled Automate Bill Entry. When you click on this button, Xero will provide you with a unique email address. This address is your personal gateway for sending bills directly into your Xero account, saving you countless hours on data entry. A pro tip for you is to save this email address as a contact in your email system. Name it something memorable like Xero Bill Entry to ensure it's always at your fingertips when you need it most. Next, let's talk about forwarding your bills to Xero. Whenever you receive a bill that comes with a PDF or image attachment, all you need to do is forward the entire email, including those attachments, straight to your unique Xero email address. This step is crucial because it's the attachments that Xero will read to pull out the important billing details. Once you've forwarded an email with your bill, Xero's sophisticated data extraction technology gets to work. It will automatically create a draft bill for you, incorporating the key details and attaching the original file. This draft is essentially a pre-filled version of what you'd normally have to enter manually, and it saves a remarkable amount of time. Now it's time to review the draft bill. You'll find it waiting for you under the Draft tab in your Bills to Pay screen. Take a moment to review all the information for accuracy, checking the extracted details against the original bill to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, you can then approve and finalize the draft bill. By using this automated bill entry feature brought to you by Xero, you're not only making your life easier, but also ensuring your accounts payable process is accurate and up to date. Incorporating this into your routine means fewer mistakes and a clearer insight into your business expenditures in record time. This feature is ideal for businesses of any size looking to streamline their operations and focus their attention on what truly matters, growing their business with confidence. Happy billing, and I hope this makes your accounting processes a little less taxing.